embattled former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque fires back at the Justice Department over his supposed fake news about his asylum bid. Here's the report.
Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque lashes out at the Justice Department. In an interview with 1PH sa Totoo Lang, he challenges them to arrest him if they claim he's on the run.
Come and get me. Ready pala sila sa akin, ba't hindi nila ako makuha?
Roque also slammed the DOJ's intelligence, calling it incompetent and a waste of public funds. He questioned how confidential funds are being spent if authorities rely on inaccurate information.
Maling-mali ang intelligence. Ano ba yan? Yan ang dapat imbestigahan ng confidential funds. Kasi kung yan ang pinagagastusan ng confidential funds, sayang talaga ang pera ng kaban ng bayan. Dahil wala po talagang katotohanan yung sinasabi nila.
Recall that DOJ Secretary Boying Remulla earlier stated reports that Roque was in Germany because his asylum request in the Netherlands was rejected. Roque was quick to refute this, saying he was just invited by Filipinos to an event. Meanwhile, Roque became emotional talking about his family. He is blaming the Marcos administration for separating him from his loved ones and forcing him into exile.
Well, yan po ang pinakamasakit, no? Kaya nga po hindi ko mapapatawad itong gobyerno ni Marcos Jr. sa kanilang pagigipit sa akin. Nawalay po talaga ako sa aking pamilya nung ako'y request ni VP Sara na sumunod nga dito sa The Hague. No? Pero ganun pa man, inaasahan namin na at some point in the near future, kami po'y makakapagsama-sama na muli.
Roque and several other accused are facing an arrest warrant for qualified human trafficking. This is in connection to their alleged involvement in the illegal operations of Pogo. For News 5, Camille Samonte, we are One News.